Welcome to Passionate Learners CNC Programming channel. In this video we will see how to edit program while machine running. Start running the machine by pressing cycle start in auto mode. Now machine is running in auto mode. Press program button. Press OPRT soft key. Press BG edit soft key. Press edit execute soft key. Now background edit is enabled. Now type the program that you want to edit. Now edit the program. While we are editing the program in the BG edit mode, the machine is still running. You can see the program is still running in the auto mode. And at the same time we are able to edit another program. Thank you for watching the video.